What's up, everybody? Brian here with the official Attention to Details located in beautiful downtown Chesterton. You've seen this in our previous videos. This is a 2020 McLaren 720S Spider with a full XPEL Fusion built-in ceramic coating wrapped. It is complete. It just needs its bath. Then it's going to be leaving, I believe, this Wednesday and being trailered up to Chicago for a custom exhaust and tune. And then it's coming back straight back to us, and then we'll finish the window tint off on it and a few other little things that he wants done. What a labor of love this has been. Very fun car to wrap. It come out, I think, absolutely beautiful. Again, needs to be washed, but we'll have several photos of this as well, Kenny, that we've been posting and stuff. So yeah, this has been a great one. We got more to come. Here we have got a 2011 Porsche 911 Turbo. It's got PPF from a previous owner that's on the front. Different little things that we talked about. If you want to check this out, I don't know if the camera will pick this up, but I mean, just nothing is seamed properly. And this has probably been done since when the car was bought new, Lord knows. But anyway, we're stripping all the PPF off this car. Then we're doing a step 2 correction on the clear coat to get it as tight as we can, and then we're fully wrapping this car with XPEL with the built-in ceramic coating, 10-year warranty, rims off, clean, polished, and then ceramic coated inside out, and calipers as well, the only way they should be done, not just the faces of them. Then we're doing an inside coating as well with XPEL Fusion ceramic for leather carpets, so we'll be doing that as well. And we're doing a window tint on this. So this is a project that's a stage in getting ready. Then over here we have a 2022 Chevy Suburban. This is in for a full interior detail, which is completed now, and the guys are getting ready to wash it and scrub it all up, and then we'll be doing a polish with a polymer sealant on this bad boy, and it should be leaving at the end of the day. I was going to show you outside, but it's too cold. But we got a Chev pickup truck. I think it's a 15 that we're doing an inside detail, sorry, and wash and clean up and a few other things. So we got that one on the go. And then we won't get in his way. The reason we got some of these lights off above us here is we've got Jose the man here. Tripod with we've got a really nice laser system here because we're doing a stripe on this brand new 2023 Bronco Raptor. So what he's doing now is the laser beams, he circles everything out, he knows his width. So he's going in there and making his template. And what we're doing with this, the whole vehicle is being wrapped in Ultimate Plus Fusion. And then we're doing a Stealth 13-inch wide stripe, a Stealth PPF from XPEL through here, up through the top it's going to cover, and down here at the bottom it's going to be some custom work. We'll show you this when it's done. But Jose's in the process right now of getting all this, it's got to be did on perfect, so he's doing all this, and the lasers help us with all of this. So any custom work we can do, stripe packages, two-toning cars, we're getting heavily more involved in that as well. Pays to have the proper equipment, and then we get, like I said, Jose here knocking this out. Then we have the 2008, it's undercover, but we'll be showing this soon, 2008 Lamborghini Murcielago. I always screw that up. This is in for it's got some PPF on the front, but we're going to be taking that off and then fully wrapping this car with the XPEL Fusion as well on this bad boy when it comes up. I'm hoping here in a couple weeks we'll get it. We also have another car outside, which has been here before, the 2023 Lexus IS 500 last year, the big V8. We did a full frontal and window tint on it, and that left, I believe, like 2 or 3 weeks ago. The guy's out of Chicago contacted me, says, Brian, love the work, you know what, I'm going to bite the bullet, let's finish wrapping it. So that was dropped off to us Saturday, and we'll be getting that in the next week or so like that as well. We've got so many vehicles coming and going, especially with XPEL. So we'll have a lot of interesting things coming, stay tuned. We'll get this video out today, but we have really some neat vehicles coming. I'll let you know as they get here, because some things, sometimes we were waiting almost 6 months. I've been talking about this, so now I'm going to wait until they get close, and I know they're coming. But we have a handful of really neat vehicles coming in that I'm excited to share with everybody to show the custom work that we're doing, ceramic coatings, paint protection film, you name it. So yeah, that's what's going on here today. If anybody needs anything, give us a call at 219-628-0288. As always, love and happiness. Peace.